Complain and complain. You complain. Daddy's turn. Can I put it a little bit here? Because I need to charge this. It's daddy's turn. Yep. It's daddy's turn. Oh, you're making the face again? Oh, just gonna do 20, 30 minutes a day. Dad, can I play with you? Is today's a green day? No more? It's done? You picked that dress today? Really? Oh, are you? It's your turn? Oh, she's. How about dad? Oh, you want daddy to tag? You have to call daddy for the. Go take a pill then. What happened? You did an eye ready too? Can you do this then? Okay. Just do this like just yeah. I don't like too tight. Just like that. You didn't take just yeah. You're good right now. You're good. Just leave it. Let it go. Whoa. It's okay, baby girl. We're here for you. You want grandma? Baby girl? I know. You said that? Go. She's coming from you. Go fast, Julene. Just she's following you. Don't back up. Use the roller blade. Oh, the other one. Just do the other one. Can you stand? Yeah. Lo 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 lo.